everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I'm going to start trying to do on Wednesdays. I'm going to try to do some quick and easy ones because we're getting closer to Christmas, and those quick and easy ones come in really handy and little stocking stuffer type things. So I'm going to try to do that on Wednesday, and I'll do my more detailed ones on Sunday, and then Tuesday is always card day. So this is what I'm sharing today. It's a really fun one, a quick and easy, and I'm using one bundle. I'm using the Snowflake Wishes Bundle, and it's really, really fun. I love this. I'm even using the Designer Series paper, the Snowflake Wonder. And I put Hershey's Kisses in these, but you can put anything in these. I think I would really highly recommend using something that's wrapped, because what I'm using for this cellophane bag is a Stampin' Up envelope. It's our clear envelope, and I'll show you that really quick. So this is the clear envelope. It has a seal on the top, but we're not going to use the seal. We're going to just tape it because we need to make this envelope a little bit smaller. But these are really great if you're a card maker. If you haven't ever used these, you really need to get some, because they're great for if you do any kind of swap. If you want to preserve your cards, you can use these. They're really, really nice. So this is what I'm using for the little bag part of this. I am using the Snowflake Wishes Bundle, this one right here, and the dies that coordinate with it, the Snow Mini Snowflakes, and you can get 10% off if you purchase these together. And I'm using the Snowflake Wishes from this as well, this sentiment, and then we're going to use some of the dies for the snowflakes. All right, by the way, our year-end sale started yesterday. So they're having like up to 50% off some items. So check that out on my blog, or you can go to my shop and check that out. All right, so what else you are going to need for this is the Designer Series paper. I'm using this pattern right here. This one's 4 1/4 by 3 3/4. That's to mat the back, but that's optional. And then you need one that's 4 1/4 by 1 1/4, which is this top piece right here. For the holder itself, you'll need a piece that's 4 1/2 by 7 1/2. Then you're going to need some scrap Whisper White and some scrap Seaside Spray. This is what I'm using for it, is the Seaside Spray. You can use Bermuda Bay for this. You can use Pool Party. It has all those colors in here. So depending on the look that you want, you can use whatever color you like. So let's go ahead and let's just cut out our pieces, our little snowflakes. So I'm going to grab the cut and emboss here. And look at the beautiful new plates. I finally got them out. I've had them for about a week, and I haven't taken them out. So I'm going to cut 2 different snowflakes on this one, and then I'm going to decide. I used this one right here on the last one, but I thought I might try this one. It's a little bit bigger, but we'll see what we decide when we get there. So you're just going to use 1, 2, and 3, run that through. I almost hate using new plates because I just love when they're new. They look so pretty. They do stick, your paper does stick to them when they're new, but that's okay. I do love these. All right, so here's the 2 different ones. We're going to just try either one, and we're going to see which one I like better. And then we're going to pop this little white one out here. This one is really delicate looking, so you do need to kind of poke this, or you can use your brush die for this. Die brush, I should say. All right, so there you have it. There's that one. Isn't that pretty? I've used this quite a few times, so you've probably seen me if you follow me. All right, let's move this out of the way. All right, I'm going to grab my Seaside Spray, and we are going to score this. And you're only scoring on the 7.5 inch side, and you're going to score at 1, 2, and 6. So that's it. I told you it's super easy. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do these the other way. So let's go ahead and mat it. So I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal. I'm going to mat this inside piece. But like I said, this part's optional. And then we're going to mat that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to stamp. And instead of using my basic black, I'm using the Misty Moonlight. This is one of my new favorite colors. I started playing with this a few weeks ago, and oh my goodness, I'm really loving this. So we have to be sure when you do this, you do it going the right direction. So I'm doing the Snowflakes Wishes for a Merry Christmas. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill our bag. So I'm going to take this envelope and we are going to fill it. And I probably don't have enough in this one, but it's all right. And then what we're going to do is I actually just cut the top part off here. And you can use your trimmer for this if you want, but it's just as easy to cut it. And then you need to place it on your piece right here. And you're going to fold it under. Actually, I'll fold it this way and then we can turn it around. But you want to make sure it's the right size. And then I'm just going to take a piece of regular tape and just seal. Ooh, that was my last piece. I'm just going to seal this part right here so it's closed. I'll probably have to add more to this if I decide to use it. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Stampin' Seal, and I'm using the Stampin' Seal Plus for this, so it stays really nice. Just place it down, and then you're going to put actually some on here and on this part too. And when you hold it up, it's going to fill that little spot because these are pretty thick. If you have a thinner kind of candy, if you have a thinner candy, you might want to just score this at maybe 3/4 or a 1/2 inch, just depending. But for like Hershey's Kisses, you're good. So I'm going to again put some on the top, and then we're going to just fold that down. And isn't that cute? I mean, it's just so quick and easy. And then let's see which snowflake we're going to use. We can use this one. I think I'll use this one this time, and you can see the difference. So I'm going to add here some. I'm going to use the regular Stampin' Seal for this. You can use wet glue, whatever you want. And then we're going to put the snowflake here. And I'm going to use this Baker's Twine. It is, I think it is Balmy Blue and Whisper White. I'm not exactly sure. And it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. And it actually comes in a package. So it comes in this Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack. Boy, I can't talk today. And it has the Whisper White. It has this green gingham. I think this is just jade. And I'm going to double this. And we're going to make a bow. And I'll grab my scissors here. I'm going to make it a little smaller. And then we're just going to use a glue dot. and add it to the center there. Just to add a little bit of bling. You can even add a rhinestone if you don't have any baker's twine, or you can use ribbon, whatever you like. But there you have it, all done. Isn't that cute? And it's so quick and easy. But look at, you can see the difference. If you want to put less candy in it, you can do it either way. But it works either way. Don't ask me why this one came out taller, but it did. Okay, so the reason these look different is what I thought about, and is because it's got less candy in there. And so this is kind of pushing this down, but the measurements are exactly the same. So they're gonna look different if you put more candy in it. So that is what I figured out about these, but they're still so cute. I actually like the smaller version with less candy in it. I think it's really sweet being smaller. But it's up to you how you want to do it. All right, so here's my hostess code for December. And I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.